I'm Lynn Williams, and this is Michelle Estrada, and we are here for the North Carolina Pickle Festival Recipe Contest.
Virtual recipe contest.
Virtual recipe contest. So we sent out a call for folks to put together their thinking caps and come up with their best pickle-themed recipes in several different categories. And Michelle and her folks here at the Wayne County Cooperative Extension Service did their magic and have gone through all 35 entries this year. That's just so awesome, because we think anything that contains a Mount Olive pickle is fabulous.
And let me tell you, they are very creative. So this has been so amazing because we have 4 categories. We have main dishes, we have drinks, we have desserts, and appetizers. So today we're doing the main dish. Are you ready for that?
Oh, I'm always ready.
Okay, so I have to read this because it's a long name for this recipe. We have a Dijon steak tacos with pickle chimichurri and pickle aioli. So this recipe, the prep time is 20 minutes and the cook time is 10 minutes. So this should be easy. Easy, and you know what? I'm already trying it, and it's delicious.
Oh, I can't wait.
And the person that submitted this recipe is Lisa Wolfall from Fort Myers, Florida.
How cool is that?
Yeah, I know, I love
cool.
it. So that means that they are eating pickles, Mount Olive pickles, everywhere.
Well, that's the goal.
That's right. Are you ready to start?
I'm ready.
Okay, so we have in here the steak, and you can find the steak that you're more familiar or your favorite. So with this, what we're going to do, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and I'm going to let you do it. So basically, we're just going to kind of like be sure that it's going to be tender, our steak is going to be tender, so that's why we're adding this mustard. And then we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Normally I use between 1/4 of a teaspoon to a half teaspoon, and also pepper.
Okay.
So we're going to mix that really good, and I'm going to come on this side so I can start warming our skillet. Okay, so be sure that everything is
good.
Really So I love this recipe because, like I said, it's delicious, but also it's so simple. And one thing, of course, I love tacos. So, but this is completely different from the tacos that I normally eat. So,
Okay.
I'm going to add, I think our skillet is ready. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil so we can start cooking our steak. And while we're doing this, tell me a little bit more about the festival. I cannot wait to go.
We can't wait either. It's Saturday, April 27th from 9 to 6 in downtown Mount Olive. You can, when you get there, you can look for free park and ride shuttles at different places on the edge of downtown, at our local shopping centers and at the University of Mount Olive. And so hit your park for free and hitch a ride and come downtown. We have 4 stages of live entertainment all day. The classic car show, the antique tractors, we have carnival rides, we have the pickle eating contest, which is at high noon. And we have had well over 200 entries for that.
Wow.
But only 24 contestants will actually compete. So that is a big deal.
And everybody talks about that contest. So I cannot wait to go and see. And this is going to be on Saturday or Friday?
This is on Saturday.
Saturday.
All our main events are on Saturday.
Okay.
Throughout the day.
Yeah.
So we have we'll have Kaboozy, which are kazoo shows, free kazoo shows for families and kids. We have knocker ball. We have a petting zoo.
Who comes up with all of these ideas?
I give most of the credit to Julie Beck, who's my fearless co-chairperson.
So I'm going to see her in a while.
You
very
can get all
soon.
the deets from her.
All the details,
Yeah.
because it's always so much fun, and you always, I know it's the same festival, but every time that I go, it looks just so different, and I love to see all the people around, so all the families, and I think that's what I like the most. This is really a festival for everybody, and you have a little bit of everything for different ages.
Yes,
So,
that's the goal. A good, family-friendly, fun event for the day.
so that's wonderful. So what we're doing right now in here, we're just cooking the steak. And you kind of like go between medium heat to high heat, but you don't want to burn your steak. And we're just going to be here a little bit cooking, and then we're going to show you how to make the aioli and the chimichurri.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so we're going to go to the other side of the kitchen while we finish cooking the steak. Okay, I am taking care of the meat, and you're going to take care of this. Are you? Okay, so first we're going to mix the aioli. So basically, this is so simple. You just need to get some mayonnaise. You need your, of course, pickles and pickle juice. Okay. And we're going to share with you all the quantities so you can make it at home. Okay?
All right.
So just mix these three. See, I make it easier for you.
You do. Can you just come home with me?
Oh, everybody asks me that when I'm doing my cooking classes. They say, "Oh yeah, we love all the prep work that you do before the cooking class." But believe it or not, I love to chop. I love to measure, so I'm good.
And the juice, and this is kosher dill.
Yes, that's right.
I know a thing or two about pickles.
Oh yes. Okay, so we're done with the aioli.
Well, that was
simple.
It. That was simple.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we're going to do the chimichurri.
Smells good.
And what we have in here, in the recipe, they're going to tell you about that you can put everything in the food processor, but I mentioned before that I love to chop. So I did everything by hand, so you don't have to have a chop processor. So in here we have parsley, and of course, we wash everything before we use it. So we're going to have our parsley, we're going to have our pickles.
Okay.
Then you're going to add the shallot. Now, if you don't find a shallot, I did it before with a red onion, and it tastes really, really good.
It all smells
Delicious. You see, everybody, when we do these videos and when I'm doing classes, everybody start coming and everybody start watching what we're doing.
Yeah.
They say, so we have dill. Okay. And then the next ingredient is going to be garlic.
Can't go wrong with garlic.
And again, you can just buy the garlic, minced garlic, but I love fresh garlic. So, and you're going to get a little bit more of pickle juice. So that's one of the requirements, that you need to use at least half of pickles or half of pickle juice. So salt and pepper. And then finally, olive oil.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, get everything. And now you just need to mix everything. It's that easy.
Oh, and I just love all the green of the parsley.
And the
pickles.
smell is just, when I was cutting the parsley, I was like, oh, this smells delicious. Delicious.
Okay.
Okay. So basically now what we're waiting for is for the meat to be ready. And just remember, this is a food safety component, that you need to be sure that your steak is, the internal temperature is 145. Okay? So I'm gonna go back. I think we'll see you in a little bit, okay? Because we just need to finish the meat and be sure that it's 145 for internal temperature. So it's ready.
Oh, it smells so good.
I know. So I'll let you do yours first. And basically you just get a tortilla. And I know you like flour tortilla, so grab your tortilla. it's a little bit hot, so we actually, with the grease that we had on the skillet, we warm our tortillas because it tastes so much better. So you can put a little bit of the aioli.
So I'll start that
yes.
first. Okay.
And these are like really mini tortillas, but if you want a real tortilla, just get you a real tortilla. We're just trying.
Okay.
And then we have the meat.
Let's see. Do it this way. The bowl's still hot.
Gonna move our tortillas on that side.
Okay.
And then you add the chimichurri on top.
It smells so good. That's just beautiful.
Isn't that, like, I just love it, all those colors and the smell. And, oh, this is so good. Okay, so are we ready?
I think so. Oh my.
This is a winner.
This is definitely a winner.
If this is so good, I can't wait for the other ones.
Me neither.
So anything else that you want to tell people? No, Lynn cannot say anything else. She's really enjoying
I
her
love to
taco. I'm sorry. So I know the festival is coming and everybody's getting excited. I heard that you have more rides, so people can just park their cars and they don't have to walk that much. I always think about that.
Well, it's the park and ride.
The
That's
park and
right.
ride.
So we do have shuttles. We'll have them at Walmart, at the Roses Shopping Center, and at the Bobby Dennings Shopping Center in Mount Olive, and at several places on University of Mount Olive campus. So come park, catch a shuttle, go downtown, enjoy your day.
So there's not an excuse. Like if you don't like to walk that much, you need to go because you will have, well, yeah, no.
Well, you still go.
Yeah, I know.
There's
but
a
at least
lot to see and do once you get
That's
downtown.
right.
So, but plenty of food, plenty of vendors, tons of arts and craft vendors. It's just going to be a really great day.
Well, we just stayed be sure that you're following on Facebook, right? You have your own
Facebook, and our website has all the complete details about the festival at ncpicklefest.org.
And congratulations to our winner. I'm going to go back and grab my paper because I don't remember the name. But congratulations to Lisa Wolfall. And she's again from Fort Myers, Florida. And she's getting what?
A year's supply of Mount Olive pickles.
What else can you ask? And you see? Well, you share your recipe and we're just so excited. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in our next video.